How you doing today? I'm here to say that Vivix helped me out a lot. I'm happy with what they've done for me. When I came here, my credit score was real low. Overall, my credit score jumped 90%. I was at, out of 70 things in my credit report, 63 of them got deleted off my credit report. Experian, I was at 540 at one point. TransUnion, I was at 511. Equifax, I had a 561 today with everything gone. My Experian now is 666. My TransUnion is 716. My Equifax is 644. Overall, I jumped 414 points on my credit report. With that, I've gotten 2 credit cards. I got a new car today. They helped out a lot. You hear things, but I have to say, I'm glad I came here. If you're gonna do it, do it. Don't hesitate. Do it now.